A lawsuit centered around Rehoboth Beach City Manager Taylour. Good evening. I'm Christina DeRobertis.
And I'm Charlie Sakaitis. Madeline Overturf has the night off. Welcome to our news at 6. We begin tonight with the legal drama in the nation's summer capital.
A lawsuit challenging the hiring process of Rehoboth Beach's city manager will move forward based on a ruling by a Chancery court judge. Coast TV News reporter Emma Aiken is live in Rehoboth now. Emma, it's about Tedder's hiring process.
Christina, the plaintiffs are a group of homeowners who argue that Tedder's hiring process violated the city's charter. Now, think of the charter as a constitution for the city, and that framework allows the Rehoboth Beach commissioners to determine how much the city manager makes. And the plaintiffs say that Tedder's hiring does not meet certain qualifications required by that charter. A busy Rehoboth Beach with summer around the corner. The area's city manager, Taylour, now facing a lawsuit. The plaintiffs argue his hiring does not meet certain rules required by the city's charter. Local Rick Gary says he's worried the result will increase his taxes.
My main concern is if they have to get a new city manager, and whether or not they can find a qualified person now that they've kind of opened Pandora's box.
Coast TV spoke with one local who says she thinks the lawsuit is unnecessary and that Tedder's hiring process was likely no different than the managers before him. But Gary thinks the concern is valid.
I mean, the fact they need to make sure that they vet him and make sure that he is qualified, make sure they crossed all their T's, dotted all their I's when they did the hiring process.
The lawsuit also alleged that commissioners violated Delaware's Freedom of Information Act during contract negotiations, but the judge dismissed those claims, ruling they were either filed too late or failed to state a valid legal issue. The court's decision means the plaintiff's challenge over the charter compliance will proceed, while the FOIA allegations will not. In a statement to Coast TV, Mayor Stan Mills said in part, quote, "We remain confident and will continue to defend the hiring of city manager Taylour, end quote. And we will continue following this lawsuit and provide you guys updates as we learn more." Reporting live in Rehoboth Beach, Emma Aiken, Coast TV News.
And over in Milford, in a meeting on May 27th, the City Council voted to approve a contract for a new city manager. And that job comes with a $195,000 salary and moving expenses. Initially, city officials offered $180,000. Officials say the candidate has 30 years of experience and that they're from out of state. They say several candidates were interviewed. No new city manager has been chosen or named just yet.
And this brings us to our Coast TV poll. We want to know, what is a fair salary for a city manager?
Let's take a look at the updated results from last news hour. 64% saying less than $150,000. Again, some people in the middle, but only 2% saying more than $250,000.
And if you haven't voted yet, you can still do that. Plus, you can leave a comment on this topic. We're going to show you updated results on Coast TV News at 11.